What's up? This is Joshua of Green Mountain Mech Works with a quick update video for you. I've been doing some work on the head for Marduk, giving it a wonderful jaw, and working on the optical system, making it one neat and tidy package. But the most important thing I'm working on is rebuilding Marduk entirely. Replacing a lot of the wood with PVC so it can come back down nice and flat so it can fit in my van. And in the process of doing this, I have recorded some video to have a sort of build series. So the secret of the giant robot will be revealed. It's just the editing process takes a lot of work, as you can imagine, for a project this ambitious. So you can look forward to that in the near future. And that is all for today, so be sure to like and subscribe and check out some of the cool links in the description below. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.